Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about how can you change your WhatsApp DP. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your WhatsApp DP, you just simply have to open WhatsApp, then tap to these three dots into the top right corner. Tap there, then go to settings. Now after going into settings, you can check your profile. Just simply tap to your profile. Now, in order to change profile or the DP, just simply tap to this camera icon below that profile pic. Then you can choose between camera, gallery and avatar. You can either select camera and click your real-time photo and set it as DP and choose any of the images or photos from gallery, or you can choose any of the images from your avatar. Tap to any of the suitable option. For this time, I'm selecting avatar, and after this, you can easily choose between any of your avatars from WhatsApp. Just simply select the avatar which you think is perfect for your DP, and after that, you can also choose the background color for your DP. Just simply select the suitable picture and the background color. And after this, your WhatsApp DP will be changed successfully. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video.